Hi, Fair Play Dance Camp. How are you? This is Boy to the Meal. I want to shout out like this camp because it's so crazy, so beautiful. For me, it's the best camp in the world. Now, it's my first time in teaching here, like Chrome style, and I'm so happy. So shout out for dance camp, Fair Play Dance Camp. Shout out for Carol. Thank you for all this opportunity because it's really beautiful. Love you too much, Fair Play Dance Camp. Boy to the Meal.
All right, what's up, y'all? The Almighty Supreme WYGGLES with the most finesse here at Fair Play Dance Camp. Oh man, it's off the hook. Young people are hungry, ready to dance and get down. I had 2 workshops so far. I did one more with the Latin rock feel, which is very important in street style dance. If you're gonna learn original New York styles, you better know how to rock. Showed them how to rock and they got down. And then the second class I did, popping techniques. We put money in the bank, had these kids drilling popping techniques, which is very hard, and they stuck it out, and I was very proud of them. The battles yesterday was amazing. A lot of great dancers ciphering and enjoying themselves. And then when we got on stage, we had 8 people jump on stage, and they just went at it. Ian came up on top. Finally, I think that young brother has been waiting for his moment, and last night was a great moment for him. And I had the pleasure of rocking with my brother Capella and my sister Ibuki. It's just a great camp, and I'm anxious to get back in there and teach some more. Looking forward to the next battles too as well, so it's gonna be off the chain. Thank y'all for having me. Hopefully we get more EBs and Elite Force and Rocksteady crew and Zulu Kings up in here doing foundation. I think that the camp deserves it, and we're here to represent and help out any way we can, all right? G bless the Almighty Supreme, WYGGLES, and I'm out.
It's your boy Kenzo, like we do every year. I'm back here at Fair Play. Just taught my first class. It's amazing. It was such a good vibe, a different vibe from the other years, but I like it as like it's new, it's refreshing and it's new. Yeah, I'm hyped. I'm just kind of tired, but hyped. Tired from class, but hyped for the next one. So if you're not here, make sure you're here next year. Make sure you come out and vibe because you're missing out. I'm gonna go back dancing, and I hope to see you guys soon.
Please leave. We need to prepare the room for the next class. Leave.